Hello, my name is Kung. Welcome to CyberNet channel. There are two websites to download VSCode. Here is the first site. You can download VSCode from this site. This site is also a place where you can download Visual Studio. For the sake of convenience, I will download VSCode from the second site when I show it to you. Here is the second site, and its URL is https://code.visualstudio.com. I will download VSCode from this site. Depend on your operating system and preference, download the appropriate installer. In my case, I select the Windows x64 installer. After the downloading complete, click on the icon to execute the installer. Visual Studio Code is a lightweight but powerful source code editor which runs on your desktop and is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. It comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript, and Nodejs and has a rich ecosystem of extensions for other languages, such as C++, C#, Java, Python, PHP, Go, and runtimes, such as .NET and Unity. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button under this video.